Hello student, I hope you all are well at your home. Today we are going to start class 12th physical education, chapter 1st, planning in sports. In this chapter you have to cover 6 subtopics, but in today's class I will cover only 2 topics, that is meaning and objective of planning, various committee and their responsibilities, pre, during, post. Let's begin with the introduction of the chapter. Planning plays a vital role in every field of life as far as physical education as well as sports is concerned. It also plays a significant role in harmonious development of an individual. It means that if we want success in any work, we should focus on proper planning. Now, the meaning of planning. Number 1. Planning is simply the process of arranging expected activities so that a certain goal or target can be achieved. Another meaning, planning chalk out exactly how to attain a specific goal. Now the objective of planning. Number 1, reduce pressure from urgency. Immediacy create unnecessary pressure which can be avoided with planning. Second objective, economic advantage. If planning is done in advance, last minute expense can be avoided. Number 3 objective, to avoid mistake. When we plan in advance, it helps to minimize and avoid to mistake. Number 4, to coordinate successfully. As various committees work in event, a planned coordination makes it easier to organize an event. Number 5, better decision making. Planning in advance ensure better decision making. Number 6, enhance performance. Adequate planning increase an athlete performance. Now the next topic, various committee and their responsibility. Organizing sports activities at school, college, and at state and national level needs support staff and skilled people. Various committee and their responsibility depends on the level of sports participation, number of event, and available resources. Different committee needs to be set up. These committees are set up before, during, and after the tournament. I will discuss, first of all, pre-tournament committees. We can also speak before tournament committee. In this committee, the first is organizing committee. Before any sports event is organized, an organizing committee is set up. All subcommittees report to the organizing committee. All aspects of the event are rotated through this committee. Number 2, finance committee. All events need a budget for their smooth conduct. The finance committee take care of the budget, plan spending and prevent wasteful expenditure. Number 3, publicity committee. The dates, venue and time of the event needs to be brought to the notice of the people. This can be done through media, advertising, press and publicity through the newspaper. Technical committee. The technical committee responsible to ensure that correct equipment, playing area, court and ground should be prepared. The second is during tournament committee. In this committee, the first responsibility committee is reception committee, who work on welcoming the athlete on their arrival in the city or at the venue, putting them up in the appropriate accommodation and welcome the chief guest at the opening and closing ceremony are some of the functions this committee undertakes. Number 2, Transportation Committee. Transportation Committee handle transportation facilities for the players, officials, etc. Number 3, Boarding and Lodging Committee. This committee is responsible for boarding and lodging of the players, teams and officials. The Medical Committee. This committee consists of qualified doctor and paramedical staffs to attend to any medical existence. Number 5, Tournament Committee. The task of receiving entries, drawing up fixture and making arrangement of the standard sporting facilities is handled by the member of this committee. Number 6, Ceremony Committee. Large event need to have an opening and closing ceremony. Such ceremony needs special attention and preparation. This committee is also tasked with the job of handling out invitation, etc. Now 7, Official Committee. This committee is responsible for the selection of various sports officials such as umpire, referee, record keeper, track marshal and timekeeper as per the requirement of the tournament. Announcement Committee. Members of this committee are responsible for setting up facilities and making announcement during the event. Now the last, post-tournament committees. Once an event is over, it needs to be wind up. This committee may consist of members from the pre and during tournament committee. I hope that you will understood the topic which I have covered today. Now you have to solve these questions to your notebook. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy.